Hey everybody, this is Jasmine Design and Build, and I am standing in front of our latest project to get started. It's a triplex. This one was a tax lien for us. Let's see if you can see. There she goes. And this is the demo slash structure walkthrough because we fully gutted her. And now I am seeing what I'm working with as far as the structure, all the concrete slab and CMU block that this home is built on. But I have one unit there, second unit here, and then another unit here. So it is a triplex, so that's super exciting for us. Stay tuned for the walk. Here we are, walking up to the triplex. We got two driveways on this one. This is the right side, left side over there. Anybody need 20 tires? And this is our first unit. So this is unit B. This one had a fire, which you can probably tell from all that smoke damage. This is all exterior walls, CMU block, and this is the stuff that you hope to not find, but unfortunately you do sometimes. This whole slab, this is slab, and the other left side of the structure is basement with slab, and it was cut and it wasn't built correctly because this block wall extending all the way around goes down to the basement. There's a basement unit and an upstairs unit over there, but this entire slab, I am positive that they cut and backfilled and poured a slab, and guess what it's doing now? Completely and totally sinking. You can see where my slab was here and where it is now. This is not even the original slab. They actually just backfilled with hydraulic cement, which you are not supposed to do, but you can see all that displacement. You can see in my block here on the back wall the displacement. I'm going to show you the height of the original slab is here, and look at what a difference. They just added hydraulic cement to float the floor up, but this was that bathroom, so they just added it wherever they could to get it to work. In the little kitchen here too. So each one of these units is around 600 square feet, I think, 650 something, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. And so I am going to be having to do helical piers, bust open this slab, redo it, but have like new construction piles is what we're thinking. We're still trying to wrap our heads around it and figure out how to make the structure sound. And then a couple helical piles on the front of the house too, because you can see that major step cracking. So this is our first unit, unit B, everybody. Ain't you pretty? And then we'll make our way to the other side of the house. And we have unit A. And so this one is definitely in better shape. Our floor joists, ceiling joists for the downstairs unit are in pretty good shape. And this is our kitchen. We're doing a whole bunch of framing back, furring in all the concrete walls. But other than that, we're keeping the floor plan pretty much the same, except opening up the kitchen on 2 of the units that we can. And then a whole bunch of reframe on the back of the home for the roofs. But you can see they're pretty much same floor plan. 2 bedrooms, 2 closets, bath, and a kitchen. Thank goodness all of my window openings are good, and a bunch of these windows are actually not in bad shape either. So this is our unit A, and then we're going downstairs. We'll walk around. This is my other driveway, and then you walk down here to unit C. So this was a tax lien for us, and so this is going to be a long-term hold. Most likely will end up being short-term rentals here. This one's a little dark, so hopefully you can see. We got the kitchen here. This is a 1 unit. I cannot open up the kitchen because it's actually block wall here. So that kind of sucks. But as far as light, I'm gonna be getting rid of the porch overhang there, so this will be a lot brighter, shining in, doing a whole bunch of waterproofing. This is the living room, the bath, And then you got the back bedroom. And then this will, you can't see, it's all dark. That bedroom has no egress, so it will not be a bedroom. It will be a den. And then in there, which you can't see because it's dark, we have some displacement cracking on the front wall as well. So we're most likely gonna have to do a helical pier for that also. So that is our basement unit of our triplex. And just want to give you a quick shot of our backyard, which ain't nothing short of spectacular. Nothing shy. As you walk back here, you can see we got a whole lot of land. So there's definite potential here because I have some space on that side of the home to do some outdoor space for that rental. I have a courtyard space for the basement. Planning on doing some steps probably and having some space over here. And then what does that leave me? This entire space to concoct whatever I can dream up. As I walk around, you see the back of the home here. The way the elevation of the land works is that it's a higher up over here. So it levels out. So there's definitely some potential for maybe something else to be parked back here as well. All right, there you have it, everyone. Stay tuned.